Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Intralock phone case by Mous. So before we start, I just made a new Discord server for our community. The link is down below, and once we reach 100 members, we'll start the first giveaway. So please join, and feel free to use this space to ask me any questions or just want to talk about anything tech related. So this is Mous's new line of phone cases that introduced this new locking system similar to cases like QuadLock and Peak Design, but today we're going to be focusing on the differences between Mous and QuadLock systems and which one I think is the best case to go with. And of course, as a disclaimer, Mous sent me these products for review, but it does not affect my review in any way. But with that said, let's get started. So first, let's look at the case. This is called the Evolution case, and it's made out of polycarbonate on the outside, fiberglass and magnets in the middle where the mounting system is, and also has a silicone lining in the inside so it doesn't scratch the phone glass. And this case has AeroShock technology inside, and if you guys don't know what that is, it basically means that whenever the phone case is dropped, the impact is absorbed by the case and it's dispersed. And this is the same tech that's in almost all of their cases. So looking from the side view, this case is super slim and lightweight, and especially with cases like these that are made for outdoor activities and someone with an active lifestyle, it's great to have a nice slim case that's not super bulky. Here is a side-to-side comparison between the two cases, and as you can see, these are pretty close in size, but the QuadLock case is just a bit bulkier on the back because of their locking system. Also, this case is MagSafe compatible, which is huge. I think this is the only phone case out right now with this locking system that's MagSafe compatible. And to me, this is crucial because I know a lot of people who rely on MagSafe accessories, and it's really inconvenient if a case doesn't have that. It forces people to have multiple phone cases for different purposes. So let's take a look at the buttons on the sides of the case. The buttons on the Mous are more tactile than the QuadLock case, and you don't have to push down as hard, so it's easier to press and you can actually hear the buttons click. On the QuadLock case, you have to press really hard, and honestly, it doesn't feel that good. Another thing on the Mous case are these ridges on the sides. It provides a nice grip so that you don't accidentally drop your phone out of your hands, whereas the QuadLock case doesn't have these same ridges. And I feel like some of you guys are gonna holy crap, this is a long ass train. Come on, my guy, gotta film. I think we're good. I think it passed. Alright. And I feel like some of you guys are going to comment about these mounting holes being exposed on the back of the case, especially if you were to drop your phone on the ground. The only way that part of the case will ever get damaged is if a really pointy rock gets in that small little slit, but there's a very slim chance that would ever happen, so honestly, I wouldn't even stress over that. But if it does happen, then yeah, I don't know. You guys are just, I guess you're just unlucky. I don't know. Alright, moving on to the mounting system. So they sent over two different mounting systems that we're going to take a look at, and the first one is a bike mount. Another disclaimer, don't use this mount for your motorcycle. I believe they're in the works for a mount specifically for motorcycles, so stay tuned for that. So this mount can easily go on your bike, and they provide two additional ring mounts to accommodate different bike handle sizes. Also, you can choose between using this thumb screw for a temporary hold or a bolt for a more permanent solution, and it comes with a hex key as well. And the other one is a universal mount that you can use other camera accessories such as GoPro to use for content creating. So if you guys have any GoPro accessories lying around doing nothing, you can bring those back and use it for this mount. Especially if you're a content creator that uses their phone all the time, you can attach this to a Joby tripod or suction kit if you wanted to. Now all of these mounts have a N45 magnet so that when you want to lock in your phone, the magnets will easily guide you to lock it in place. And this is a feature feature that's really great because whenever I was using the QuadLock case, it would take me a few tries to get it locked in, and locking the case is super easy to do with the help of the magnets. And as you can see, this will almost never fall out. Super secure, and I really like how Mous color matched the buttons on the sides with the release buttons so that you know where the buttons are located, and just a really nice touch for me. So right now this case will only be available in iPhone 12 or 13 lines. Mous said they would expand to other iPhones and phone lines if this launch is successful. This case is really nice, especially if you're not the type of person who wants to switch their cases all the time, and you get all of the nice rugged features yet also looking good for day-to-day use as well. So honestly for me, I would pick this case over the QuadLock case because there's a lot more features I like about the Mous Intralock system. And the biggest one for me is definitely got to be the MagSafe compatibility. And not only that, but you get the AeroShock technology, a nicer grip, and just an easier mounting system. And if you guys are interested in picking this up today, you can use code SAMPACPAC for 15% off until the end of February, and the links will be down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.